Hi guys and girls, Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and today I've got an all-new Boston Whaler 230 Vantage dual console. Hop on board and let me show you around. So powering this boat, we've got an all-new Mercury V8 Verado 300 horsepower engine. Now I get the question a lot, how come every single one of your Boston Whalers are powered by a Mercury engine? Now, besides the fact that they are the greatest engine ever made with the greatest warranty and most reliable company, because they're owned by the same company, which is Brunswick. Boston Whaler, Mercury, match made in heaven. Back here, of course, we're gonna have the state-of-the-art fold-out seat. Keep in mind, this is a 23-foot boat, but you still have all this room for activities. Up top here, you're gonna notice a hard top with rocket launchers on each side. Live well down beneath here for when you're fishing. But of course, on the Vantages, you're gonna have a transforming seat that's gonna be back here. Stop it anywhere in between. Bring it all the way down, lounge out. Back here, you're gonna have a luxurious countertop, sink, Yeti cooler down below. Usually this is the point of the walkthrough where I sit down and tell you how comfortable the helm station is, but you already know that, and I'm not going to sit there because this is your seat. So while we are in a 23-foot boat, you are going to have a very large bed down below. Changing area too, a little bit of privacy, you're not going to feel crowded. Of course, you're going to have room for two full-size adults to stretch your legs out here. Enjoy the bow, the sun. You know, I'm not leaving from here. I'm not driving today. Landon, you're driving. I'm chilling up here. So, on a serious note, if you guys have any other questions whatsoever about this particular boat or anything else in our Boston Whaler or Sea Ray lineup, give us a call, come on down, and let's get you out on the water. Captain Nick with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and I'm signing off until next time. Bye, guys.